We've just brought into stock this lovely Volkswagen Golf diesel, the facelift model. So you've got the front park distance control, immaculate diamond cut alloy wheels, absolutely gleaming black metallic. It is absolutely lovely condition. Rear park distance control, lovely condition. Boot area is in lovely condition with the carpet mats, spare wheel, just wheel brace, load cover, interiors as it should be, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 52,071 miles. It's got satellite navigation, all your apps, media pack, DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, air conditioning. It's very cold, different modes of driving the car down here, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.